Hey everyone, it's Tuesday the 4th of March. So welcome back to Day Trade with Tony. This is my channel. I am of course Tony, and we do all about day trading here. I am the one that does the day trading, and you can day trade with me. That's all part of this channel. When I say day trading, we're really talking about stocks and shares, equities, if you will. So we're not trading crypto on this channel. We're not trading. We'll talk about it by all means, have those conversations, but we're proactively trading equities. So we're not trading futures, forex, commodities, whatever whatever flavor you're having. It's just purely equities. That's all we're trading here. So what have we done today? It's the 4th of March. We had a nice good green day yesterday, although it was a bit kind of roller coastery. No roller coaster today. I was disciplined, I was patient, and we live the mantra that I have every single day, which is get in, get green, stay green, get to gold, get out. That's what we did. Traded one stock and one stock only. Traded two entries, one pre-market as it popped up on good news, and then at the bell as we got the gap and go, it broke the pre-market highs and went into a volatility halt. I got a stop in place, rode it up, and got stopped out as it pulled back. So that was the trade. It was $9,500. So more than 1.5 times gold today. Very, very quick. I'll put the gap and go trade on for you to. I'll tack it on the back of this this recap for you to actually watch it in as close to real time. But let's just have a look at the chart and let's see how we actually did this today. So you can see we had the good news with Bullfrog AI. So it's Bullfrog AI, recent IPO, but it had some good news today, and the news catalyst came out and it started to move up. It went green on the day. I got in here for the break of $6. We got a little bit of a pullback. I was already in this. I was thinking, okay, if it pulls back below $6, then I will exit the position for break even. But we didn't. As it moved back up again here, we got a little bit of a bull flag set up. So as we moved back up and broke new highs here, added to the position, was able to take some off. And then I was able to just trade this action all the way up. And testing $7. I was looking for the break of $7, and then I started messing around, putting the live stream, getting the live stream together for 8:30. So I missed this little pop here up to 750. Now it tested 750 a couple of times here, and it tested 750 a little bit later, not quite up to there, kind of 747 or whatever it was, and then it faded. Coming into the open, it faded all the way back to the VWAP, but then it took off. So this is what we get, the gap and go. As it broke that $half level, the pre-market highs, and this pre-market resistance, this is, as I say, a recent IPO. It's never been here before. This is blue skies that we're talking about. So I got in here for the new highs, for the break of the pre-market high, and I was able to take some profits here, get a stop in place, and it went into a volatility halt. Volatility halt. Resumption, it moved up, and then as it pulled back, I got stopped out, and then it continued pulling back before then making another move back up, and then pulling back. And that was essentially the trade. We made $9,500 on that across the two entries, and relatively easy, stress-free. I had a few bits and pieces that I needed to take care of today, some health issues. I had to go appointment with the doctor, ended up in the hospital for excruciating, boring hours. That's just the hospital. It was very busy in the hospital. I can't complain because they looked after me fantastic, and they do a fantastic job. And shout out to all healthcare workers, not just the doctors and nurses, but all the ancillary staff as well. You do an absolutely wonderful job, and I applaud you. And yeah, so I was in the hospital for a little while. I've got to go back tomorrow, so I will be back trading tomorrow. I will be back trading first thing my time, so it's going to be a few hours before the market opens. So I should be back in time for pre-market, which will be an hour before the market opens, so 8:30 US time, 1:30 my time. So as I say, I've got an appointment there first thing, so I should be back in time to start streaming live at 1:30 my time or 8:30 New York, and we'll be doing a nice long session tomorrow. So we'll be trading most of the day. Even if I'm back a little bit later, I'll be back for the open. I should be back for the open. So even if I'm back for the open, we've got the whole day's trading to go ahead. So I'm looking forward to trading tomorrow. Come join me. We'll see if we can have another good green day. We had a great March. We've started April off really well. So that's 2 days over goal in a row, and long may it continue. Let's see if we can't put a nice green streak together. We're still in drawdown a little bit based on the 2 red days we had at the end of March last week. So it's still a little bit in drawdown, but it won't take us much longer. One more day like today, $9,000, and we'll be out. I think we're about just under $18,000 in drawdown overall at the end of business yesterday. So we've got another couple of days, and we'll one more day like today, 9,000, and we'll be there. So about just over $9,000 down in drawdown. So we'll be back to the all-time highs if we have a similar day tomorrow. So I'm going to tack on the gap and go trade on the back of this replay. Before I do that, before you can watch that, just do me a favor, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps me out. You know you want to do it. The more interaction I get on this channel, the better. So smash that thumbs up button. Do it now, and I will be forever indebted and grateful to you. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your evening. Enjoy this trade replay, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. There's the bell. Let's see. I'll click the scanners over. The regular session. Let's see if Bullfrog sells or if it breaks that 750 level. Get all the way down to the VWAP. I don't mind that. That's pre-market high. High of day now. Looking for a gap and go here. Not happening yet. 659, 805. It took me a while to get filled there. The 30-cent trailing stop in place there. I'm over goal. That's a textbook gap and go. I'll go back to Bullfrog. I'll talk you through that trade that I just took. Let's just take me over goal. So Bullfrog here. So I traded this earlier when we got up to this level 750. Then we kind of retested it here. It pulled all the way back to the VWAP, which is not too bad. I don't mind a pull back to the VWAP into the open, but then once it goes up, I could have got it anywhere here, but I wanted to see if it broke the pre-market highs. Now, if it breaks the pre-market highs, that's usually a good sign of bullish momentum on a stock for a gap and go. So that's what you're looking for. So that's what I got in for the break of pre-market highs. And then it retested that as support, the $half level, before then moving up. Took some profit and put a stop in place. So I've got my trailing stop in place. I've already taken a little bit of profit. Might be a little bit too wide the stop. I probably could get away with a 20-cent stop here, but if it pulls back and then goes, I want to be able to maximize the profitability of it, and I don't really want to cancel the stop to put another one in there. So on the bullish move up, break the pre-market highs. It's a good entry for continued momentum on the way up. There we go. There's the gap up. There's the pullback. Oh, it almost stopped me out. So the 30 cents was absolutely spot on. Here we go. Got stopped out, $9,500. That's my day's job done.